Hey there, quick review on these outdoor solar lights. These look great and they're going to be absolutely perfect for outdoor living spaces, decks, stairways, walk paths, etc. They look really nice here. We've got a nice stainless steel, satin nickel type finish, and then your solar panel is on top, and then the lighting is going to project downward. To mount these, you've got a couple different options. There are 2 screw holes on the back here. The screws are included in the kit. They also give you some sticky pads if you want to mount these directly using a sticky pad as well. Turning the light on and off is really simple. There's a simple push button for on and off back here. There's no low or high settings. It's all one setting, but you can see it works really well. Soon as the sun goes down, they're going to turn on and respond really well to low light. They all turn on instantly whenever there's no light. So that works absolutely fantastic. Overall, these look and work great. They're going to be perfect for decks. You can mount them directly on the risers of a stairway, etc., and then gives you that little bit of accent lighting that you need. It's going to really add a lot of flair to a space, and also great for safety to give some lighting along walk paths and stairs. So great product, I'd recommend.